4 reasons why your check engine light is on. Autodoc. Sensor failure. Crankshaft, camshaft, knock and mass airflow sensors, among others, ensure that the engine runs properly. If one of them fails, the engine can go into emergency mode. The result will be increased fuel consumption and engine vibration, as well as reduced engine power. In some cases, it will be impossible to start the engine. The check engine light on the dashboard will come on. The specific cause of the fault can be determined through computer diagnostics. A fuel system malfunction. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the fuel rail via the line. The fuel injectors then spray the fuel into the combustion chambers. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. The evaporative emission control system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The check engine light can turn on if the fuel cap's not tightened properly. A malfunction in any part of the system can lead to engine failure. A loss or decrease in power when the unit is under load. Difficulty starting the engine. The check engine light may turn on if at least one of these symptoms is present. This indicates that the car's fuel system needs to be checked. Faulty spark plugs or ignition coils. These components are involved in the process of igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders. In petrol engines, the air-fuel mixture is ignited by an electric spark which forms between the electrodes of the spark plugs. The ignition coils supply an electrical current to the spark plugs, acting as a transformer and converting a low voltage into a high voltage. If there's an increase in fuel consumption, or the engine is difficult to start or misfires, check the spark plugs and ignition coils and replace them if necessary. Inspect the components for damage. Check the condition of the wires and electrical connectors. Measure the gap between the electrodes of each spark plug. A faulty exhaust system. The oxygen sensor determines the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and then sends the data to the ECU. The optimal air-fuel mixture is formed based on this information. Damaged wires or a faulty catalytic converter can also cause the sensor to fail. If the catalytic converter is bad, the oxygen sensor light turns on. A defective sensor significantly reduces the service life of the catalytic converter. To determine the exact cause of the fault, a computer diagnostic test is necessary. To run the test yourself, you can purchase an OBD2 scanner. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.